Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. So today is December the 1st. It is the first day of Vlogmas and I'm super excited. Now the only thing is I'm not doing Vlogmas this year because I know I'm not going to upload a video every day. I'm just sad to say I'm not going to do, I don't vlog every day anyway. I barely vlog now, but I don't vlog every day. But hold on y'all, hold on 1 minute. But like I was saying, I don't vlog every day, but I decided to do more videos, put up more videos than I have been putting up. I was supposed to prepare for Vlogmas, but it just got out of my control. But I was not going to put a vlog up every day. I was going to put a video up every day. But I do want to show y'all this is what I got right here because I'm going to use this in a minute. But this is a ring light, a smaller ring light. And I got it off of eBay. I'll put the link down below. But it's basically how it looks like. It looks just like this. It comes with this little smaller ring light. I actually like this one. I've been recording it off of it sometime. This is what you're gonna see me record it for right now, because I did order some umbrella lights because my ring light that I have, it's like a piece missing off of it, so it won't stand up, and I cannot get just a ring. I don't need another ring light. I need a ring light stand, and I cannot seem to find one. But it comes where you can plug this up to your USB cord, and it has these little things like right here where you can turn it on, dim the light down, dim it up some, change it to 3 lighting sections. And I use it to put, I use my ring light on here because if I use this, it's come with another part because it comes with a stand too, and this is what I use for like for my phone. So it comes with this part, and you can take this, oh shoot, you could take this off and you can put on the other one. I put the ring light on this one, but I prefer my phone on my phone or camera or whatever on this one because I'm able to hold it more sturdy. It can hold up more sturdy than on this little thing. And this one does extend its legs, so that's the only thing different. This one doesn't. I wish it did, but yeah. So yeah, so that is so much better. But anyway, I'm super excited because I get a chance to watch people Vlogmas. I've been waiting for Vlogmas. So I'm going to be, oh, and I'm gonna have a link down if you want to check it out. I'm gonna have the link down below. But I've been waiting for people Vlogmas all year round, and it's Christmas time and everything. So yes, you guys, so like I said, I am not gonna be vlogging every day. I'm gonna this is my plan for vlog this month. I am gonna try to put up maybe 4 to 5 videos a week. 4 to 5. Maybe a week I may put up 3. I don't know, depending on what I have going on, because right now life is just crazy. So yeah, so right now 4 to 5 videos. I still have to edit videos, y'all. This month I'm letting y'all know this video will be up today, but I'm letting y'all know that I have lots of hauls coming. Yes, I have lots of hauls coming y'all way. I did some damage on Black Friday. Some Christmas presents, the majority was for me. I got stuff that I've been wanting for a while but never got a chance to really get, and so I took well advantage of that. I am gonna, you all gonna see some of hauls. It's not gonna be from Black Friday. So I think tomorrow I am gonna put up a video up. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna put videos whenever. I'm not gonna put a certain day. I'm just gonna put videos wherever. I may put up a video for every day for a whole week. I don't know. So it's just gonna be videos. You're gonna get a lot more videos, a lot more hauls, a lot of hauls, but also different content as well. Every Sunday is gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be up a little early, a little late, but every Sunday it's gonna be a vlog. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. And I might put up 2 vlogs a week, so I don't know. But yeah, so Right now, I'm actually on a hunt to look for a purse. It's Cyber Monday going on. I think Black Friday has officially about ended because it's like Sunday now. And Cyber Monday is on the road because, excuse me, I just received an email from Cyber Monday. Not from Cyber Monday. I just received an email from Ulta about Cyber Monday. I don't know if Sephora someone, but I know Ulta will have, but I don't know if I already know. I think I've done enough makeup shopping for right now. If I do anything, it may be more on the skincare products. But other than that, I actually don't want to do any more shopping now. I'm actually like burnt out. So yeah. But I also want to come on here and what else I want to come on here and say to you guys. But yeah, I'm super excited about Vlogmas. I'm super excited about Christmas. Hopefully I just pray this year just be better than this month be better than last month. And we end this month out on a good note and more positive and more energy, y'all. I'm declaring it in the name of Jesus because right now we need it. But I also yeah, I'm also excited. Like I might have a lot of packaging coming this week, so I don't know when exactly I'm going to be posting these hauls because I'm probably gonna be getting packaging every different day. But yeah, but let me show y'all my Christmas decoration. Right now it's like 11:40 in the morning. So right now, yeah, y'all like my hair? I did do a haul on this hair or whatnot, but these are some Goddess box braids. If anybody was wondering, yes, these are Goddess box braids, and these are micro braid hair at the end. It looks like that because you know how I'm holding my hair and I need to mousse it up, but I decided to use micro braids hair this year. So we're gonna go from out of here into the living room. Okay, so we in the living room, and this is the Christmas tree. I'm gonna show y'all the Christmas tree tonight when I plug it up, or whoever plugs it up. But this is it so far in the day. Like my mom decorated that Christmas tree, and I really like it. These were like stuff from last year, the colors from last year, but she did add a few more stuff in here than last year. And this was some more like decoration stuff that she did. The stockings. We need to put this up because last night I was like cut off, so this candle wasn't really burning it that well. BeautybyMyra candles, but this one I put this one out. But these are the stockings. Some more stuff over there. Nobody.
No, your team for the lose that.
Some more stuff. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this. Yeah, here we go. Focus. This is some more decoration stuff. Put that counter back in there. Some more decorations. That little thing right there. And I guess it's some food they finna throw away. And a little more decoration over here. So yeah, today we about to watch the game. I'm gonna clean up a few makeup brushes. I guess we gotta go through these wallets and figure out which one still works, which one don't. But yeah. Hey you guys, so it's about 9 o'clock. I told y'all I'll be doing that all day. So what I am about to do is go wash these brushes out finally. So yeah, let me show y'all my Christmas tree. I said I'm gonna show y'all my tree when it get nighttime. Hold on. So this is the tree all light up. Now you can see the color is like a blue, silver, and gold color. Different designs on it. It's really pretty. And this how that looks light up. We still never did the lights. That's what's going outside. Ooh, this thing giving me it's a little decoration there. And that little thing over there. So yeah, you guys, so now I'm about to go and wash my brushes. So, okay. So this time I have a little trick for washing my brushes. Because I'm trying not to move around too much. But, let me sit y'all down. Real quick. Because I don't have much to wash. Because of the simple fact I just recently washed my brushes. But I just wanted to wash, let me see. But this is something I do. I take like a little container or something, and I have two of them. I'm using just regular dishwashing liquid. Just pour it in here. Just regular dishwashing liquid. And I'm taking some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And I just use this. Pour a little bit in here. And I use this for I use it for products that I use for my concealer or foundation, like liquid stuff. That's what I use this mostly for. Like brushes like this is really hard to clean by itself with soap, and especially with this kind of brush. So I put that in here and let it soak, and it helps like remove the clean the brushes off, and it's like really good. So I do that with my brushes. And I do that a couple of make sure they're really clean. So I do that with that brushes, and even sometimes my eyebrow brush. Trying to get all my brushes. Oh shoot, I'm gonna knock the cup down. Can't do that. And I do it with my foundation brush as well. Because that like really absorbs the product. So I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and start washing my brushes. Okay, you guys, so all my brushes are completely washed. Well, not all of them, but the ones that need washing are washed and being ready to get dried out. I washed 3 of my beauty blenders and stuff. So yeah, I have that done, and that is out of the way. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this vlog. I know it's not very long, but I promise it's gonna get better. This is just day 1 of Vlogmas, and yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna upload on different days of Vlogmas. It's not gonna be technically Vlogmas like a lot of these people, YouTubers, but it would be Vlogmas. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you're excited about to see all the hauls that I got from Black Friday, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But until then, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.